I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor falls, and the major lifts, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof. Her beauty in the moonlight overthrew you. And she tied you to a kitchen chair. She broke your throne and she cut your hair. And from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Maybe I've been here before. I know this room and I've walked this floor. And girl, I used to live alone before I knew you. I've seen your flag on a marble arch, and love is not a victory march. It's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. There was a time when you let me know what's really going on below, but now you never show it to me, do you? And remember when I moved in you, the holy dove was moving too, and every breath we drew was hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Maybe there's a God above. All we've ever learned from love was how to shoot at somebody who outdrew you. It's not a cry that you hear at night. It's not somebody who has seen the light. It's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 and hallelujah, and hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.